Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today's spotlight is actually on a landscape that we installed about a year ago, and I wanted you to see the nice new growth that happens in the space of a year. This is for Dan and Elizabeth out here in Plano. So this landscape was installed just a little over a year ago, and you can see that it has filled in very nicely. I like to show these videos because honestly, it's easy for landscape to look nice. The day that we install everything, it's all fresh and clean, and obviously the plants are healthy, or we wouldn't put them in. Uh, but the real test is what does it look like a year, two or three later, or longer? Because our landscapes we consider are an investment in the future. So we like to swing by and check them out a year or so later, just to make sure that everything is looking good. And you can see here it definitely is. Um, so the plant here at the entrance, that's a variegated sedge. That's that kind of cream-colored plant. Now you can start seeing the height that those get to. To the right of that is a plant called giant laribe. That's that taller plant. Eventually that'll get about 2 feet tall. And then framing the house, you can see those are obsession nandinas on either side of the entry. Those will turn a nice reddish color. And then you can see the yellowish plants that are in front of the windows. Those are kaleidoscope abelias. And you can see they're really starting to fill in. Those get about 3 feet tall. And then on the outside corner, those are called Pringle U. And those will get up, somewhere around 3, maybe 4 feet tall and kind of frame the house a little bit. The reason these plants are doing so well is we got the watering right, and also we spent a lot of time, we always do, on the soil preparation. That those two things are the key ingredients to having a landscape that doesn't just look good the first year or the first couple of months, but really take off and grow after they're already established. Because this Texas clay is not very plant friendly, and we spend a lot of time putting in good compost and breaking up the soil and giving it good organic material for these plants to grow and do well, like you can see they're doing here. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please send them on to your friends and family and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.